The army of the Most High include the righteous as well as the wicked. The Most High will allow the wicked to destroy themselves. The scriptures did say that the Most High appoint kings and he dethroned them as well. There is not an area of his creation the Most High do not control. He controlled the wicked as well. That is why no one can stand against the Most High. He has no equal. Satan fell like lightning when he thought he could challenge the Most High. King Nebuchadnezzar learned the hard way. He said in his heart, "Look at that great city Babylon that I built." Very soon after his proclamation, the kingdom was departed from him, and he became like the beasts of the field.